Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Sophistication meets style. The stylish trendsetter Tata Curve SUV is in town. India's first coupe SUV is now in Shillong.
Kumshi benta bentek lakam ya kajeng Lait tu ka Khajna nagakian ka Sorkar jelak la penkre ya kerukam bathemai ban Buddien ling baga QR tracking ba kajeng penkre ka naya syakman bat lakmi lenti ba hapo kniat benai jong news namhi kin presyang ban pentri kam no yaka habe kan ba menteri Sorkar badai pe ya katan excise suba kerman shilla ulong ba umla ban ong AA ndre ka Sorkar ka kmi lenti bakan wan raju mentoy bakan long ka basuk yaka bandani ya kani kerukam Buddien Shushu bakar menshilla ulo ang makum ka Sorkar ki ngait scam balar kadon kanu gajing tuit gajing Lait tu jong ka Khajna ling bakan ni kan pinsange yaka bakan ni ka wanra ikajing mi ka babahaya ka jela
The stakeholders have got a tender. They are on the move now. Preparation is going on. So we expect within a matter of few months, it should be within this year itself, we are trying to implement it hopefully by this coming year. I don't know how much, we cannot say, but we expect that it will help, it will bring benefits, and it will be easy for us to have this tracking system. Everything will be in our fingertips. We'll have a dashboard where we can monitor each and every movement of our consignment. That is our expectation, and we do believe that if there is any leakage, that will stop it. That we cannot say right now, because from time to time we have been increased the revenue generation almost in every year. So by doing that, we expect that it will bring a lot more. So that is our expectation. So as of now, we have high hopes that this will bring lots of change. So until unless it's implemented, I cannot say what is exactly. So, but I can assure you that this will bring good revenue generation for our state. Now we are doing that, so and we don't have much to do in our departments. So we are trying to do with this try and trace. So after this, we'll see what else can be introduced in our department. So that is number one, and we feel this by doing this will help a lot. Actually, we have seen almost every year whenever we have this season, especially winter season, we have seen the sale of especially liquor come high. So this time also we expect with this different festivals in our state. So this will increase the revenue generation also when it comes to liquor. So it's of no doubt that will be high. We can, when it comes to licensing and different paperwork, whichever way we can, we are here to support them as much as early as possible. This is our commitment to them. So now I cannot tell you exactly what kind of support we can help them, but whichever way, when they come seeking for support from us, we will study it thoroughly, and based on that, if we see that this will be benefit to them, we will support them for sure. This way, maybe we can find a way out how to exam or in which way we can support them. So of course, when it comes to local produce, there's always a support. They will have it from the government, from our department. We have introduced this fruit wine in our state. So since that time, the reason of introduce this fruit wines in our state is to support the farmer. We have seen whatever produce they produce, like fruits and all. Most of the time, is a waste. They cannot reach to the market, and the market is not up to high value. So most of it, we can say maybe 50% of the fruits gone in veins, become rotten, and is of no use. Since the time we have started this fruit wines. So we have seen most of the comments from the farmers they utilize the fruits which they produce, and it can convert into wines. So it's of huge benefit. And with this, number one, we are proud to say that our farmers get benefits, and second, with this bitter benefits and bitter fruits, we got to make a wine where we can start showcase our wine not only in Meghalaya. We have to showcase it beyond Meghalaya. So now we are trying even to showcase it beyond the country with a few, not all the wines, but those selected wines which are comparable with the other wines of the country. So that is how we are trying to promote wines. So it's of great benefits. Let's not look only benefits when it comes to the revenue generation. Let us look benefits, that how it give the benefits to the farmers especially, and to our local people. So that is our motive actually.
When the government
Move now, we are on the move. There's a team, we have stakeholders who really concentrate particular on this. So we believe that these stakeholders who really concentrate on this, they will do the best they can, and through them, those commission, they will help a lot, especially to the farmers. And we believe that one day we might not be comparable to Sula in India, we maybe next to Sula. So that is how we foresee ourselves that Meghalaya one day will be number one fruit wine making in the world. So we want that to happen.